boom, bap. When you listen to this track, I'm bringing old school back. This is underground gangster rap. New school rappers can't get that. The lyrical content is so whack. This song is not just music, visualize it. It's kind of a movie, I gotta prove it. Reason why I say I'm better than a lot of rappers in UG. Let me kill them slowly, give me their names, don't mention movies.
Judas Rapknowledge say Kampala has fallen. Yes, Kampala has fallen. Kampala fell to a long ago. Zamba, General Zamba, Novio, and the rest. All those were not better than the Ugandan rappers. Remember, no B, no Gisu. Cholwi cannot your Chormagua, Kurigalengo. Judas, I'm gonna rise, expect my destiny. You can put me on the wall, but you will never stop my destiny. Now watch me fly. It's a conquer my destiny. I conquer my destiny. Get up quick and full. Northern Uganda has been on top. Kampala was destroyed. Cannot manage Northern Uganda and Hippo. Actually, Kampala only knows this type of dancehall by Derry Andre made for people who are drinking alcohol in the club and those who are having sex. Not even this kind of dancehall. Kampala has destroyed music industry of Uganda. It's a copy and paste. It's a copycat. When Kenyans do this, Nigerians do this, they run for it. So there's no hip hop in central Uganda. Have you tried? And the other crews of Lumix in central Uganda tried. But when you move north, the table turned. So Kampala is.
They don't believe, but I saw it already. I know everybody thinks that I'm crazy. I'm so shady like an animal on the grass grazing. All these rappers are lazy and they think they made it. On the mic sounding so whack every time rapping for ladies. Prove me wrong, this is not a diss song, but a one conscious rap to move on. All these niggas kept their eyes on bitches, thinking that the industry's all about fucking white bitches. Look at GNL, since 11.